I'm Mark Pilling, reporting for Aviation Week TV here at the Paris Air Show. I'm here on the stand of Oerlikon. We're talking to Bill Woodard and Dan Heller to talk about the company's advanced technologies. So Bill, Oerlikon is one of the industry's best kept secrets. Why is that?
I'm glad you asked that question, and the best kept secret is now being known throughout the industry. We have many technologies here today, starting with part manufacturing from a high pressure compressor stator assembly, to additive manufacturing printed parts, to thermal spray coatings and PVD coatings, and we've showcased the Olympic torch that we actually coated. So that was a big market awareness for Oerlikon as well as the community. But we're here for the aerospace community today to really show how we can improve throughput, delivery time, and savings on time on wing and performance through our advanced coating systems.
And just what are you focusing on specifically and what's new here at Paris, please?
So we have new technologies for our thin film Ballora coating line, PVD, M-Collie coatings. We have our Simplex Pro Cascade technology advancements that we are making to help reduce throughput time, reduce waste. So that's great for the environmental aspects of things and for performance gains for time on wing.
And you have applications across commercial and defense, is that right?
Absolutely. We've invested heavily in both commercial and defense. As the world has been changing, the needs are expanding. We're investing in resources to be able to accommodate this, as well as technologies. A lot of millions of dollars in advanced technologies that Oerlikon has made over the last several years.
Thank you, Bill. We're going to move on to Dan now, but thank you for your input. Now, Dan, Bill told us all about some of the advanced technologies he's responsible for. What are you showing us here?
Sure. Here, thanks Mark, we want to showcase one of our exciting new technologies in advanced manufacturing. This is additive manufacturing with metal laser powder bed fusion. The part right here is a cold plate or a heat exchanger. It's an aluminum part that's traditionally manufactured through brazing or welding. What we do instead is we manufacture this through printing on a 3D printer.
And why now, and what benefits does it bring?
So in the industry, we are advancing with our next generation, 5th generation, 6th generation fighters. The avionics is really accelerating and the new designs are generating a lot of heat. So what these heat exchangers or cold plates do is they help take that load from the avionics and transmit it. So additive manufacturing is an advancement to the current design by enabling us to print interior cooling channels in a much more efficient way than normal. So what we end up with is a higher performing part. We can print it faster, it's often cheaper and more durable.
And Dan, what are you hoping to get out of Paris this year?
What we're hoping to do is just showcase a lot of the technologies that Bill mentioned with our current customers as well as new customers. We have a lot to offer, and the technologies that we have truly make parts better for aerospace and defense.